In this video, I'll show you how to copy and paste a link on your mobile phone. First, open any web browser on your phone, such as Google Chrome. Now go to the website whose link you want to copy. At the top of the screen, you'll see the address bar where the website URL appears. Tap and hold on the address bar. You will see the Copy Link option. Tap on Copy Link. The link is now copied to your clipboard. To paste the link, open any app where you want to share it, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messages, Notes, or email. Tap and hold inside the text box where you want to paste the link. A small menu will appear. Tap Paste, and your copied link will appear in the text field. Now you can send it or save it. That's it. This is how you copy and paste a link on mobile easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.